Hammock is one of my favorite poses because of the delicious stretch it gives to the neck. This pose may be done with one leg at a time, which we'll see next, but first we'll demo both legs. Start with a longer belt in a loop and lay down onto the back. Secure the loop behind the base of the skull where you feel the ridge, moving any hair out of the way, and then thread both feet into the belt with the strap that tightens the belt moving back towards you. Secure as tight of a strap as you can. If the knees need to bend for the hamstring length, that's fine too. But once you get in place, you want to feel as though you're truly able to relax. The head is resting comfortably on the belt, and the legs have a little bit of work here to stay in place, but not much. Rest here with the arms at the sides until you're ready to go even deeper, and then you can tighten it up again. Breathe into the full back body stretch. And when you're ready to come out, secure the head while you release one leg at a time, slowly lowering down to your back and resting. Now let's see the setup just with one leg. So thread the strap around one foot, and the other leg can either be straight or bent knee with the foot on the floor. Tuck the belt underneath the skull once again, and pull that strap back towards you to tighten the strap. Getting to a comfortable position so that the head feels truly supported and the leg is stretching comfortably. Breathing here. And when you're ready to evolve the pose, stretch your arms out to the side, keeping your eye on the knee as you slowly turn your head as the leg opens and the hip is in an open position. Breathe here into a different stretch of the neck. This is position 2. And then when you're ready to evolve into position 3 after several breaths, hold both straps with the hands, securing the strap as you turn the head to face upwards. And then resting here as you're looking upwards and receiving that nice side of the neck stretch. To come out, reverse what you did, holding the strap, turn to face toward that knee, and then use the opposite arm to lift up and support that leg. The head will lift up off the floor as well. To remove that foot, first grab the strap and release the foot as you slowly lower the head to the floor. For a more restorative position with the leg out, open to the side, place a block on its edge to support the outer thigh, and then you can rest here more comfortably. Great work!